Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. We've already unboxed the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus this month, but my Ipsy X box, which is the Ipsy X HUDA, is here. So let's jump into that. We're going to unbox it, review it, talk about all of the items inside, supposedly curated by HUDA herself, and we're going to talk about each and every item and do a review on the collection as a whole. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Ipsy X HUDA Beauty, stay tuned. Alright, so just like every Ipsy X, this is the $59 every 3 months quarterly box. It comes with a little newspaper print with the information about the whole collection. The items are supposedly curated by whoever the person who's hosting it is, and obviously HUDA has her own brand, so safe to assume there's going to be a couple HUDA items in there. So the note from HUDA herself are, I'm beyond excited for you to experience my limited edition Ipsy Glam Bag X. You know I always keep it real, so this collection is filled with my ride or dies only. I hand-selected these self-loving staples to help you boss your own beauty journey. The Glam Bag X was designed to work your entire routine from start to finish. It has everything from skincare you need to create the perfect canvas, to my must-have products to finish any look. And the best part is, you're in charge. There's no right way or wrong way to express yourself. As long as it makes you feel like the best version of you, I'm here for it. My philosophy, makeup should be a tool to improve your beauty, not change it, and I hope my collection does just that, HUDA. So, jumping into the first item out of the box, I am going to have the items here because they're all kind of listed. The one thing I don't love is it has the explanation of every single item, not just the ones in my box. So, all of the FOMO of seeing things that I didn't get, definitely not something I'm thrilled about. So, I'm going to go in order. First item is from Wishful. This is the Thirst Trap Juice, and I'm going to find it. Retailing for $47, HUDA bottled up the best hydrating and plumping ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, aloe, and niacinamide to create this fast-acting serum. So I did my skincare today, but I am going to use this just to prep my skin and see what happens. I love the packaging. I'm really a big fan of that iridescence, and I like that it has one of the droppers. Do be mindful not to get your... I think my dropper's broken. Yeah, I'm not getting any product in my dropper, so I think I have a faulty dropper. I fixed it. The piece was loose, so if yours does, there's a little ring in there. Just push it up. I'm going to take it on my fingertips. I try not to touch droppers to my face because that's just a sanitation issue, and I'm going to apply this all over. It smells really nice, and it does feel very nice. As for the ingredients, hyaluronic acid plumps the skin with hydration, peptides help to balance the skin, aloe is nice and anti-inflammatory and soothing to help with redness, niacinamide is an ingredient for pore refinement. It also helps to even out complexion and boost glow to the skin. So from an ingredient standpoint, it's already got some great ingredients in there. As to whether or not it's going to work, it is going to take me consistently using this product for 28 to 30 days to see results, but I like how it feels. It does have a little bit of a tackiness to it, so whatever moisturizer you put on should lay quite nicely. And like I said, this is a $47 value. The next item I am not going to be using on camera. I don't know where mine is, but I've received like 5 of these over the years. This is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Retails for $99, and this is in the shade Warmth, which is this corally orange. To be honest, there's nothing this superpowered skincare device can't do. It is made with an ultra-hygienic silicone that uses sonic vibrations to deep clean, purify pores, and treat the face to a face-lifting, toning massage. I have used this. It's nice. I definitely prefer my Foreo, so I'm going to toss this in an upcoming giveaway because not only do I already have it, but all of my friends and family have it because I've gotten so many of these over the years in various Ipsys and BoxyCharms, so that's going to be a pass for me. The next item out of the box is the Freck Rich Bitch Cactus and Vitamin C Moisturizer. Retailing for $32, dark spots, fine lines, redness, and dryness, this moisturizer helps to tackle them all thanks to a blend of vitamin C and oils. Now, I will not be using this. I will be tossing it in an upcoming giveaway because it does contain coconut oil. I am sensitive to coconut oil and it does cause me to break out. In addition, coconut is one of the most comedogenic ingredients and pore clogging ingredients in skincare. So it's typically not an ingredient I recommend in anything you're going to put on your face. So that is going to be a pass for me as well. And the last skincare item before we get into makeup, this is from the brand Sela. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is the Glacier Clay Mask, retails for $40. The hero ingredient in this Huda Love face mask is oceanic clay from the British Columbia. It is rich in more than 60 minerals and rare elements to help you transform your complexion. It does have some great ingredients in here from what I'm seeing, including salicylic acid, so great for pore refinement. I have so many open masks right now, so I'm going to put this to the side. I will be trying it in an upcoming video, but I'm not going to be using it today because I don't need to open and waste another clay mask, while I probably have 3 or 4 clay masks open in my bathroom. So the first step in my makeup routine is a couple items in. So I'm going to go put on my foundation, concealer, and all that off camera, and I'll be right back for the next item in the box. All right, I'm back, and we're going to move pretty quickly before my under eyes crease. The next 2 items are going to be used together. The first is from Complex Couture. This is Ipsy's brand, and it is this duo right here of All Angles Brush Duo, retailing for $48. You're going to love this exclusive eco-friendly duo. The brushes are made for precise makeup application, and they're made with vegan bristles and biodegradable handles. We're going to be using that with the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. Retailing for $60. Even though it's mattifying, there's nothing drying about this cult favorite hyaluronic acid infused powder. So I went to start using this brush and I did not like how it felt, and it started moving things around weird. I don't love these dense style concealer brushes, but I am going to use the fluffy brush to set down the under eyes. Now I am going to grab my sponge and just touch up the under eyes to make sure that we're not setting any creases. But the Complex Couture brushes are some of my favorite brushes. So I'm going to grab my sponge and just make sure there are no creases, and then set everything down. Definitely a really nice soft brush for really getting into the under eye. I'm going to grab a fluffier brush and just use whatever powder is left and just kind of dust that all over the face. The powder definitely feels nice. I think my skin looks nice and perfected, which is obviously always going to be the goal. I really don't have any issues. I do think that as far as illumination, there's a tiny bit of, I don't want to call it micro glitter, but a little bit of some sparkle in there. And I don't know if that's just a luminizing pearl. It's pretty. It definitely looks nice. But if you prefer more of a matte finish, you might not like that because this does have a little bit of that satin sheen to it, which I normally like, so I'm not mad at it. The next item that comes from Huda Beauty is the Glow Cocoa Hydrating Setting Mist. And just like I said before, coconut is not a good ingredient for me, and this has a ton of coconut in it. So that is going to be a pass for me. And the last item is a lip product. So I'm going to go do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back to apply the lip. All right, I am back, and we are ready for the last item in the box. This is the With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm in the shade Empathy from Rare Beauty. Retailing for $16, there's nothing basic about this lip balm. It nourishes with shea butter and botanical ingredients like lotus, gardenia, and white water lily to soothe dry, chapped lips and lock in moisture, plus a sheer lip tint that is good on all tones. One coat gives you the prettiest sheer wash, but I also love to layer it for an extra pop of color. So the color Empathy is, it looked like it was going to be red, but it actually looks more mauve-y peachy, or almost like a neutral tone. So I am going to grab a lip liner and line my lips first, just so that the color can go on smoothly. And then going into the actual lip product, I think that is a perfect combination. It does make me want a little more blush on the face, but I think it's really beautiful. So all in, my Glam Bag Plus had a retail value of $377, and for the $59.99, I definitely think I got a great box. A couple things I do want to say. First, for a Huda curated box, I know that they were definitely going to be kind of on the fence between using too much of her brand and not enough. I definitely think they erred on the side of not enough. I think I would have liked a few more of the Wishful or Huda or Glowish products. There were only 2, one of which I couldn't even use because of a coconut sensitivity. So that being said, I do think the whole box as a whole really covered a lot of bases. There's a good amount of skincare, some tools, some makeup. So I'm not mad about the assortment of it. I just think for a curated box, I wish there was a little bit more of her product. That being said, none of the products I tried I didn't like, and even the products I didn't try, most of the reasons I didn't use them were all because of that coconut sensitivity, which I know I have, but not everybody has. So if you're not sensitive to coconut like I am, you won't have any issues trying those products. And again, if I had not received so many of these in the past, I probably would have been a little bit happier to have gotten it. But again, I have that one, I have a Foreo, I have a ton of different facial tools, so not really something that I need at this time, but it is a good product if you do have it. I just don't need another one. Anyway, those are my thoughts on the Ipsy X Huda Beauty for the November 2021 Glam Bag X. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!